Thomas High Pressure Cleaning. At Thomas High Pressure Cleaning we take pride in our work and strive to achieve the best outcome for each job we undertake to keep our clients satisfied. From the moment we meet you to the moment we accomplish our job, we aim for a pleasant, professional and seamless encounter. We service the Gold Coast from Coomera to Coolangatta, and the Tweed Coast as far south as Pottsville. Tennis court. High pressure cleaning. Do you remember when your concrete tennis court, netball court or basketball court was a vibrant gold color or just freshly painted? A combination of factors such as dirt, rain, bad drainage, a lack of sunlight, overhanging trees and debris result in a court turning black and slippery, requiring cleaning. We introduce Aqua Jet Cleaning System. A class of its own, powerful, quick, thorough. In 2019 we completely revised our cleaning technology. The result is Aqua Jet 2019, a roof cleaning trolley like never before. The 4-nozzle technology, developed in cooperation with experienced technicians, represents a major paradigm shift in this industry, and offers users a precision device that goes beyond the limited range of traditional cleaning trolleys. Our champion packs thoroughly. Similar to the lawnmower principle, we get consistent results. Thanks to a special nozzle combination, even the critical bottom edge area will be clean. A milestone in the roof cleaning, the continuous working height guarantees a constant cleaning result. Steplessly adjustable brush pressure takes the degree of soiling into account. Effortless handling allows the fitter to concentrate fully on the respective cleaning area. At full speed, he's on his way. No pollution by dirt, the environment. Even your neighbor's clothes stay clean. We have developed a standard that is second to none. Almost floating, it glides on the surface. The perfect movement to avoid damage. The compact design and extremely easy handling allow use, even in the tightest conditions. The new carrying opening facilitates the ascent, and provides more control and safety on the roof. The lateral brushes have the task of stabilizing the trolley, so that it stays on track. Softer brushes adapt to the surface. We at DACBEMS.de have been a constant size in northern Germany for 30 years. Professional roof cleaning and roof sealing. The AWB supports you as a competent partner in the disposal of your waste and offers you suitable cleaning services. Waste connection. All waste producers, including companies, facilities and administrations, must be connected to the municipal waste disposal system. The AWB advises you on legally compliant implementation and provides you with optimized collection containers solutions for your waste. Waste containers in various sizes up to 5,000 L or press containers are available for your residual waste. With the connection to the residual waste disposal, you also enjoy access to other disposal services, such as the paper or bio-bin uncooked food, as well as bulky waste and electronic waste collection to a limited extent without any additional fees. Commercial waste. AVG Recycling Roof accepts commercial and industrial waste, such as rubber, wood, plastics, cables, metals, paper, cardboard, bulky waste from clearing out, material and fabric residues, packaging and construction waste. You can also bring small amounts of construction waste to AVG recycling centers for a fee. With regard to disposal at your site, the AWB will be happy to assist you and develop a concept for you. Cleaning. We are also happy to be your service provider when it comes to the cleanliness of your company premises, access roads or the like. Our cleaning team carries out operations at regular intervals or orders on call quickly, competently and reliably. Whether cleaning after a celebration or regular cleaning of the NovaClean. As the leading supplier of heavy-duty vehicle wash solutions in the western United States, we are passionate about designing and installing the most optimal vehicle wash solutions for our customers. We focus on environmentally sustainable automated and manual wash systems for on and off-the-road heavy vehicles working in mud, sand and clay. We provide site-specific, engineered vehicle wash and water recycling solutions for many industries including trucking/fleets, commercial/retail, municipal, oil and gas, and military. NovaClean is an authorized distributor of Interclean equipment wash systems with over 100 existing sites in the western USA. We focus on providing wash solutions for specialized vehicles and fleets with heavy-duty wash requirements, from mining trucks to bus fleets. Our car wash systems. ART 700 fully automated car wash machines are designed to provide superior wash quality and speed, the key factors in customer satisfaction. NovaClean's sales team will work to deliver customer-specific solutions that are tailored to your needs, increasing revenue and profit while delivering exceptional washing results. Made by Tamamatic, our machines utilize cutting-edge technology that recognize vehicle shapes to accommodate all sizes and shapes of vehicles, while still delivering the perfect clean. Our machines' soft foam brushes maximize cleaning performance. The 700 car washes systems can be used in conjunction with a variety of chemicals that we supply. Thanks for watching. Shuifu touchless car wash truck wash automatic car wash machine manufacturer Shuifu. Axe touchless car wash main features. The newest Axe in-bay automatic car wash raises the standard for touchless car wash equipment. With revenue enhancement and total cost of ownership improvements being the main focus, this vehicle wash system delivers the industry's best return on investment. Smart 360 technology enables the car wash system to be responsive to the dynamic conditions in the wash bay and allows it to think for itself, increasing uptime and optimizing the wash process. Substantially faster wash speeds lead to increases in vehicle throughput and shorter lines that will make your customers happy. Simplified machine design and lower energy and utility usages reduce operating costs, leading to a more profitable car wash operation. Simplified engineering and high-quality materials provide the optimal balance between initial investment and long-term profitability. Substantially faster wash speeds increase vehicle throughput, resulting in shorter wash lines that will delight your customers and keep them coming back again and again. Smart 360 technology enables Axe to be highly responsive to dynamic conditions in the wash bay, minimizing downtime and optimizing the wash process, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. New technology. Fully automatic computer control mode, Axe is equipped with advanced intelligent detection system, built-in central processing unit. Without operator, this system washes cars automatically according to the selected wash packages. The system reminds customers automatically to leave the wash bay after finishing washing and guide the next customer to the wash bay. The whole wash process is controlled by computer to save labor cost and improve work efficiency. Self-service mode, automatic card reader system makes 24 hours self-service car wash possible. Customers can choose different single item and adjust the price of each item. Smart 360 technology. The cleaning power of Axe is raised to a new level with the addition of better vehicle chemical coverage with rounded arch corners, smart chemical timing and tilting arch functions. High pressure applications now include the ability to tilt to cover the back of side mirrors and arch oscillation to attack bugs from multiple angles. Combined with your ability to customize services and speeds in infinite combinations, and to store favorite or seasonal packages, the cleaning system is a major step forward. Axe Arch Control System allows for quicker throughput and creates customer confidence and comfort through the entire wash process. The arch is able to rotate 360 degrees while simultaneously moving around the vehicle. 3-axis motions provide rounded corner profiling to produce consistent coverage by keeping the nozzles always focused on the vehicle. No more spraying on the floor. Arch control makes every second productive in the wash process. Each corner time